Claire, at the beginning of her third grade school year, we noticed that she was just getting really close to a lot of papers. Teacher said she was struggling to see the board, trying to move her as close as they possibly could in the classroom to be able to see. My name is Kelly.
And my name is Claire.
And this is our APH story.
It was really hard to see, and we were like, I definitely need something to zoom in so I can see it better.
We started out with one device and it didn't work for her. Not every device is going to work for every kid, and you've got to find the right device that works for your kid, and every kid's needs are going to be different.
But this new one has a little camera that I can move up and down.
The camera is so easy to just be able to move it and find where she needs to navigate in a book or a paper, rather than having to move the paper or the book around to try to find the camera. I think the biggest feature of the Jupiter is the color.
I like that when it changes different, like black and white, it's better to guide myself seeing it.
The Jupiter has allowed her to complete things more efficiently, quicker. She's gotten really fast at being able to zoom in on things to her the size, and to be able to move that camera around. The biggest thing that I have found with Claire is it has helped her with independence. I think her biggest thing was that she was constantly having to ask for help.
It makes me feel great because I feel better going on my own for work instead of having my friends help.
So the Jupiter has given her that confidence and that independence of being able to complete her work on her own and not have to ask for help as often.
I do it all on my own. It's really easy.
I saw as she came home every day from school just the struggle at home, and not just at school, because she would have to bring her work home that she didn't complete at school, and it didn't allow her much free time at home to be able to play or do anything extra. So we were spending a lot of time doing homework and uncompleted assignments. I can just see she's just happier.
Now I have the Jupiter. It's really awesome to do it because it makes me feel good.